Your first 3 YouTube videos will determine whether you book 20 plus calls per month or stay stuck posting content that nobody buys from. Most people just start making content about generic tips, but I'm about to show you the exact 3 videos that you should post that help my clients to make over 30K a month and help to book 10 to 30 qualified sales call each month from YouTube in less than 90 days. So let's get right into it. Here's what most business channels get wrong. They focus on making low-level content when their ideal clients are not beginners. So instead of making content like how to make 10K a month or how to get your first client, this type of content, they make entertainment videos. When you're targeting high-level people, it just makes no sense. What you need to do is ask yourself, what is my ideal clients are searching for? And make content tailored to them. It sounds like such a basic advice, but there are so many channels where there's a real mismatch between their ICP and the content they're creating. If your content is disconnected, you're literally going to get 0 leads because your ICP is not going to care about the content you're making. Instead, you are going to attract an audience of non-buyers, and that's exactly what we don't want to do. I also see a ton of YouTubers making entertainment content that doesn't convert to sales call. If you're just spamming content with the goal of getting views, like maybe it's a video like, oh, I just stayed at this hotel at Switzerland, or I visited Egypt last year. Stuffs like that doesn't get sales call. Instead, you want to make these 3 videos. Type 1, action-based videos. This is a video that's extremely actionable and is usually positioned in the form of how to. For example, it could be called how to get 30 sales call per month from YouTube without recording more than 2 hours per month. That would be an action-based video because inside of the video, I'm going to talk about what their ideas should look like, what their script should look like, and how they can record in less than 2 hours per month. And they are going to walk away from the video with extremely actionable advice that they can implement right away. The whole goal here with your YouTube channel should be to provide as much as value as humanly possible. Now, I know what you're thinking, like, Pushon, why should I give everything away? But the reality is, if you give away everything you know on YouTube, you're going to sign more clients than that other guy that's gatekeeping. Let me give you an example. Imagine a coach who's making videos talking about how to get clients through YouTube. But every time you click on his video, he's not giving you any actionable advice. He's just saying his social proof and explaining why YouTube is so good. But you walk away from that video not knowing anything. You didn't learn anything new. The only thing you learned is this guy has an offer and he's trying to sell you. But now, look, I'm trying to sell you something too. But instead, the way I go about it is by educating you and actually giving you valuable information. Because what's going to happen is your brain is going to make that connection that this guy actually knows what he's talking about with YouTube. So eventually, when your buying window comes up and you want to move forward with YouTube, you are going to think about me first. You are not going to think about the other guy that basically scammed you for your time. He made you watch 10, 20 or 30-minute YouTube videos and you didn't learn a single thing from them. You're going to come to me. And the other action-based videos could be how to book a sales call through YouTube without running ads, or how to script out a YouTube video, or how to find a winning e-com product. I think you get the gist. Inside of this video, it needs to be extremely actionable and step by step. That's the whole goal here. In terms of how to come up with these ideas, just break down your service into multiple parts. For example, for my service, there's the ideation. I can make a video about that. There's the scripting, the editing, the thumbnail, the post, the SEO. I can make action-based videos related to every single step along the way that my clients need to go through to get results. Another example could be a dropshipping coach. You have to find the product, you have to make your LLC, you have to make the ads, you have to make the website, you have to put copies in the website. There's so many things that you can make action-based videos about. This is going to be the core type of video on your channel. Just make sure to pick a specific problem and solve it. This type of content actively attracts people that are searching for solutions to their biggest pain points. And these people are the most primed to buy. If someone searches up how to come up with YouTube video ideas, it's pretty safe to assume that they want to start making YouTube videos, or maybe they have already started making YouTube videos, but they are not performing and they need to get better ideas. Now compare this to if I made a video like, I just spent $1 million on Egypt for my vacation. That's going to attract really weird people on my channel. Action-based videos instantly position you as someone who solves their core problems. Video 2, educational videos. For example, why the old way of doing YouTube doesn't work anymore and what to do instead. This is also an educational video where I'm teaching you guys something, but I'm not necessarily telling you how to do something step by step. Another one could be why dropshipping is the best business model in 2026. I'm going to break down the pros and the cons of the business model, but I'm not going to tell you how to find a product and how to build the stores and all of that. This type of video breaks false belief and introduces your unique approach to the solution. Now, the reason why I'm so confident in this YouTube formula is because we have used it to help clients hit 10 to 30K per month through strategic YouTube content. And if you want me to do this completely done for you, so you don't have to do anything, just record for 2 hours per month, then hit the first link in the description. That's it. Let's get back to the video. Type 3 is social proof content. There are two types of client interviews and case study breakdowns. A client interview is very simple. You hop on interview with one of your clients and you'll ask them a specific set of questions. Just make sure in the first 30 seconds of the video, you get the transformation. For example, maybe you have helped someone to generate $100,000 and now you can make videos like John at $100,000 in cash collected from a single ad in 30 days. And make sure he said that in the first minute of the video, like how much new revenue did you make within the 30 days of working with you and your team. And then from there, you can just ask them the other questions like what was it like to work with you and all that good stuff. The next type of social proof content is a case study breakdown. This is basically you take one of your clients and you break down the exact steps you took to help them to get whatever end results they got in the end. An example of this could be John's 7-figure sales funnel breakdown. And in that video, break down how you helped John to scale from X point to Y point in a month. Just make sure you break down exactly how you got them those results and what problem they were facing before and how everything changed when they worked for you. And what was the outcome? This works because you are showing people what it looks like to work with you. People want to try before they buy, and this YouTube video lets them hypothetically try. They get to understand the steps in your process and how your clients get results. This type of content shortens your sales cycle because prospects see proof before they book calls. I recommend you guys to alternate between client interviews and case study breakdowns. Now, the difference between successful business channels and everyone else is not luck or having bigger budget. It's just having a strategic framework that turns viewers into buyers. These strategies I just told you are just the beginning. There's an entire system behind building YouTube authority that generates consistent high quality leads. And if you want us to handle the complete strategy, content creation and video optimization and editing, so you can focus on what you do best like closing clients or getting results for your clients, then check the first link in the description. Also subscribe for more videos like this and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.